finance professionals looking to level up your skills and enter the market with confidence? Join us for Achievers 2025, a 3-day career boosting event happening here in Dubai. Day 1, dive into technical training sessions led by experts. Know about all the technical skills, knowledge that the hiring managers look for in today's world. Day 2, build your soft skills, from powerful communication to personal presence. Because it's not just about what you know, it's about how you show it. Whether you are a recent graduate, an affiliate, or actively job hunting, this is your chance to connect, grow, and get noticed.
The key takeaway is even the slightest of things that ACCA candidates take for granted, such as how we talk, how we speak, how we dress, that matters a lot according to our industry experts, because first impression creates the best and last impression.
The most valuable skill that I was exposed to in the Achievers program would be how to answer interview questions. Considering I had my first interview today, I think I made a lot of progress.
My overall experience with the Achievers program was amazing. It was very well organized. The first day, technical skills, gained so many insights, so many things that I had to learn, so many things that are there in the market. The second day, behavioral skills, emotional intelligence, social relationship management. It was really nice. And the experience of the first and the second day helped me for my third day, where I had to give interviews.
My overall experience at the Achievers program was incredibly positive and very helpful. In day 1, we covered technical skills, which play a very important job in landing a right job in the industry. And in day 2, we covered soft skills, which are equally as important as hard skills, maybe if not more, because you need to work in teams a lot. In day 3, we had interviews, which was arguably my favorite part of the program, because I got first-hand experience on how an interview could be, what the possible questions could be, and how to answer them.